Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money on Pandabuy. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch this video till end and so you don't skip any important steps. So first of all, you will need to log in. After that, simply you have to click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then click on the user center option. So let's click. Now it will redirect you to this page, where you will be able to view your amount. If there is any balance available on your account, you will have to simply click on the withdraw option to withdraw your money. Here you can also add your money to your account by clicking on top up option. After clicking on the withdraw option, now you will be successfully able to refund this amount to your bank account. So that's how you withdraw your money on Pandabuy. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.